Look at that. He even woke up alligator.
Got it yet?
It's showtime.
All right, so Louisiana swamp. This is what they look like. I don't want the wind to push me in the water. I'm gonna try to get near water's edge. I'll show you where I'm standing. Here we are. All right, here we're on this little peninsula thing, but check this out. Louisiana swamp, guys. I know some of you aren't from here and you've never seen it. Let me back away. I don't want to fall in the water. I'm gonna try to get as close as I can without falling in the water. But look here. This is the closest I can get without falling in and dropping the iPad. Look at this. Louisiana swamp. This is what they look like. It's cypress trees. If you're not from Louisiana, that moss is called Spanish moss. It's a really windy day, so you can see the wind is just pushing all that around. Some birds up in the sky flying. But oh, it's beautiful Louisiana swamp right here.
Did you hear that?
Hear what? Ooh, say foo coca tree. Say do. That's crazy alligator. That's all.
My ears are close to the ground. I don't miss much. Listen, you'll hear crickets, frogs, nesting egrets, blue herons, and a bellowing alligator who's in love with the swamp.
Yeah. He almost sounds like a roaring lion.
I remember when I first came to these parts. I was amazed by what I heard and saw. I was born and raised up near Old River, near the Mississippi. Then along came the great flood of 27 and it changed life forever. Water swept over the Jambalaya swamp up to 40 miles wide. I felt like I was going 70 down Interstate 10.
Down here, we have 3 seasons that make up our cycle of life. High water season in the spring, it's green.
Low water season comes in the fall and winter.
In between water level season comes in the lazy summertime. Say they show.
Folks here really know how to party. It's a celebration just for surviving another day.
We call it a soiree.
Just when you get used to water everywhere, then the level falls.
I've got a lot more running room when the water is low.
You hear that?
Hear what?
Do you hear that music?
Cajun, Zydeco, swamp pop. I hear it all the time. Do you smell that?
Somebody's having a crawfish ball.
At tonight's do-do, laissez le bon temps rouler.
You gotta get used to one more thing around here. Cajun French. My friend says there's a dance tonight, so let the good times roll. Speaking of roll, it's about time for the movie to roll. You'll get a bird's eye view of the largest river swamp in North America, the Jambalaya. Whoa, there he goes again. I never can get used to that sound. That's IE, our swamp guide bird, telling us it's showtime. Look at that. He even woke up alligator.
That door to the right will open in a few moments.
IE is going to help seat you. We have room for about 30 people.
Hey, let's play a little game while we're waiting. Can you name this tune?
You missed it, huh? That's all right. You don't have to wait too long because the show's gonna start again in a few minutes, y'all. Just look around for a second, enjoy the view. And before you know it, it'll be your turn